Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, I don't want to say a full face, but some of my face using new products. These are fairly new release products that came out, I would say, in the past month or so. But you guys will see how, basically what I think about it and how I got this look. I was, like in the beginning of the video, you guys are going to see that I said I was going for like a fall look, and I was. But this ended up looking really bronzy, and so I'm not going to call it a bronze. I'm not going to call it a fall look because a fall look doesn't look like this. I'm going to call this like a bronzy look. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and like and follow me on my Instagram. All the links will be over here, somewhere around here. And now we can go ahead and jump right into the video. So let's jump into it. I already did my brows off camera. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I've been loving this concealer for carving out my brows and also doing the base of my eyeshadow primer. So my dog is here, so if you hear her jumping on and off, it's because she's playing with a ball. And if she knocks my lights down, I'm going to go in timeout. But yeah, so I prime my eyelids using this, and this isn't new. I've only used it once before, so technically it's new. I used it in my full face using NYX makeup, and I don't remember loving it that much, but I really like it for like a base. It's really great. I'm going to go in with this palette. This is the Jackie Aina slash Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This came out, I don't know when it came out. I'll link everything down below. But I just got it this past weekend. This is what it looks like. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have seen a bajillion videos. Let me get close. Here it goes. So super beautiful. But I'm going to take the shade Ginger and put it just in my crease. And I feel like it's the perfect transition shade. Okay, I'm gonna take Edges. Edges is like a deeper orange, and I'm gonna put that right outside on my outer crease. So that's really pretty, and I think I want to do like a really nice shimmer. I don't know which one. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that one. I'm gonna go in with Lituation. I'm gonna go with that one, all on my lid. Okay, not as pigmented as I thought with Lituation, but still a cute color. Okay, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. setting mist and spray it, and then go into it again. Because it's not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and it's the Morphe M139, and go in with Credit, which is a brown one, and just blend out the edges. Or blend the two together, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna just do that back and forth, and I'll be back. I'm gonna finish this eye and then basically just get it to look like this, and I'll be literally right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and I finished my eyes off camera. Came out pretty nice. So now moving forward, I'm going to go on to the skin, and I'm going to be trying a new primer. The primer that everyone is talking about, this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I've seen this everywhere. I see everyone talk about this, and everyone says it's supposed to make your makeup last forever. So once that's in, I'm going to take my Benefit Professional Primer and put that just in this area right here, just where I have pores. So now I'm gonna go in with my color corrector by LA Girl. It's the Peach Corrector, and I'm gonna put this in my, like where I have darkness, which is basically all in my old under eye area. So after you let it sit for a while, take a damp sponge and blend it out. The next product I'm gonna try is the Milk Makeup Golden Nude Flex Foundation Stick. This is so cute. I love this packaging so much. It's like, it's not like plastic, it's like a metal. That is so adorable. And I kind of guessed on my shade, but I think it'll match pretty well if you ask me. So I'm gonna put this on, and I don't know, this is the cutest packaging ever for a foundation stick though. So I'm gonna go in like this. And I've been breaking out so much, so hopefully it covers it up. And yeah, the color is actually like so spot on, like wow. And this is where I have the most breakouts, so let's try that. And then just a little bit on the forehead. The next thing I'm gonna do is take the Born This Way concealer. I've had this, but I don't think I filmed with it on my channel. So that's what this is looking like. So far, the concealer is whatever to me. I am not, like, I'm not that big of a fan as everyone else is. I'm gonna bronze up using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, and oh, it's so itchy. And what I do is I take it on the back of my hand first, and then and look, that looks disgusting, but we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take my oldie but goodie, my airspun loose powder. I just started going back to it. I'm so happy because it's such a great, what is this again? Loose setting powder. I love it. Okay, so now that I left it on for like a minute, I'm just gonna dust it off. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my bronzer. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On World. So I use this in my full face using Makeup Revolution, and I loved it. A little did go a long way, so let's not get carried away. Before I was interrupted and the camera cut off, I was just putting some translucent powder under my contour just to make it a little more sharp. And then I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush in the shade Just Curious. It's like a peachy blush. I like it though, it's really cute. And the last thing I'm going to do is take my Wet n Wild I'm So Lit powder. This is my loose highlighter, and I love it. I've used it before, but not on my channels. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. setting mist and set my face, and then I'm going to finish my eyes off, and then that's probably going to take another hour, but let's just set this. And then I'm going to go in with, I haven't done this in so long, but I'm going to go in with lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the Essence Extreme Lasting eye pencil, and I'm going to put this on. I don't think I can do it on camera, so I'm sorry, but let's see. So it's like thin like this. Oh, okay. But I'm going to take a brush. It's the Wet n Wild one, and go in with the, I'm going to go in with the brown shade, kind of make it a little bit, actually I'm going to go in with Edges from the palette. And then just blend that out. I'm gonna go in with my Amazon lashes. Actually, these aren't Amazon, these are from AliExpress, but I'm gonna put these on and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back from doing my hair. So I'm gonna use the NYX Nude Truffle Lip Liner. And then I'm using my super nude, I literally have not bought a lipstick in so long, and I don't know, I'm just so into nudes that I just use this one. So it's super nude, but don't you worry guys, because I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss that's a little more pink, and that is the NYX Lingerie Butter lip gloss. I love these lip glosses. This whole line is so cute, and they really have the best like nude lip glosses. I love them. So it's not that nude. So this is the final look. It's very bronzy. I don't even know if I'm gonna call this a fall look anymore. I think I'm gonna call it a like bronzy look, because I look so bronze and like glowy, and I'm loving this look. Overall, I really love it. The palette, I really like it. They blend it out super nice, super seamless, and we all love Jackie, so definitely go support her and go pick it up. You can pretty much use or create any look with it for any occasion, so definitely a great palette. And then the foundation. But you know what's so weird? You know how usually when you look at yourself in the mirror you look so good, and then when you take a picture you look like, okay, what the hell happened? I don't look like that. Right now with this foundation, I like it better in pictures than I do looking at myself in the mirror. Does that make any sense? Like, I've never had that happen to me. Not that it looks bad in, like while I'm looking at myself in the mirror, but just for pictures it looks so flawless. Like, it looks like I face-tuned my face. I like the foundation a lot. Now for the concealer, I feel like it did pretty much what every concealer does, just really nicely highlight, but nothing extraordinary. I don't really see the hype, that crazy hype. I thought it was gonna be like change my life, but I still prefer my LA Girl over it, but it still did a really good job. It did highlight really nicely. So I'm really happy with it, but that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time.